Hey guys, it's Ethan Howell here, shopnomads.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about ICS compression. So what you're going to need for ICS is standard size bars that have a 1 1/4 inch star nut installed in them just past the slit. Threadless forks without a star nut. An ICS bolt which slides up through your forks and comes out and screws into your bars. So how you install ICS is you take your forks with your crown race, which are part of your headset, and then you take your bottom bearing, slide it on, slide it up through your deck, take your top bearing, slide it in, your headset little ring, get that inside the bearing, then you take your headset top cap and you get that on. Then take your headset spacer and you slide your ICS bolt up through the little hole in your forks until it comes out. Not all ICS will come with this little rubber thing, but Grit does, so I'm going to put that on to align it. And then put your bars on. Flip it upside down and you start to tighten your ICS. So you just want to tighten it till your headset doesn't wobble. So I'm just going to tighten it a little bit more, give it a couple more cranks to get it fully tight. So my headset doesn't wobble anymore, so that's good. It should spin freely, it shouldn't be super stiff. If it's super stiff, you over tightened it. After that, all that's left is completing the assembly of your scooter. So to do that, all you do is take your axle, slide on your first spacer, slide on your wheel, feed the axle through the wheel. Then you take your second spacer, slide it in, take an Allen key to align it, and push your axle all the way up through. Then you take your bolt and you tighten it in. Take two 5mm Allen keys and just start tightening until it's tight and spins on its own. It's not wobbly, and that should leave your scooter nice and dialed. So thanks for watching, guys. If you want to purchase anything, you can check out our online store, shopnomads.com, or you can come visit us. We're located in Sylvan Lake, Alberta.
Bye.